Hey everybody, it's Amy from Craftymcfangirl.com. Thanks for joining me for a steampunk craft. Today's project takes 3 items from the dollar store, some hot glue, and some paint to make a steampunk pistol.
You can find links for all the materials you will need for this project in the description below the video, both on YouTube and at Craftymcfangirl.com. Before we get started, I wanted to let you know you can support me for $1 a month on Patreon. The 3 items that I got at the dollar store to combine into my steampunk gun are a plastic recorder, a ball shooter toy, and a battery-operated light stick. I started with a ball shooter toy from the dollar store. I removed the round foam ball and elastic string. I saved the ball and used it for a needle felting project to make a poro from League of Legends. Check out that video after this one. I also used a plastic recorder, which I disassembled into 2 pieces. I will be spray painting both the gun and the recorder a flat black. This is going to happen off-screen in a well-ventilated area. This light stick is also from the dollar store. It has several different light pulse settings. I spray painted the toy gun and recorder pieces in a flat black to prime it for paint. The first step is to hot glue the long portion of the recorder into the muzzle of the ball shooter. Next, hot glue the short portion of the recorder onto the top of the ball shooter to create a scope detail. The next step is to go in with metallic paint. I'm using folk art metallic paint in bronze and copper. Use a dry brush technique. Wipe off most of the paint onto a paper towel before lightly brushing the bronze cover over the black. Make sure the black paint shows through the recessed areas. Once the bronze paint has dried, use a small paintbrush and a contrasting metallic paint to pick out some of the details. Next, it's time to add some fun steampunk details. I decided to add 2 vacuum tubes to the gun. I hot glued one at the front of the scope and one at the front of the barrel. Next, I added bronze and copper gears to decorate both sides of the handle. If you don't have gears or vacuum tubes, you could use wires, clock parts, gauges, dials, or tubing. Anything you have around your home that can be painted and hot glued will work. Next, it's time to glue the light stick to the top of the gun. Make sure to glue the stick with the power button facing upward so you can turn it on and off easily. I had to use a lot of glue to attach my light stick. Make sure not to paint the light stick or obscure the colorful lights too much with decorations. And your steampunk gun is complete, ready to add to any steampunk cosplay or use it as a display item.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy your steampunk sidearm. And if you have any other things that you would like to see steampunked, please leave me a message in the comments below. I have an entire steampunk series planned, so make sure you check in to see what's coming next by subscribing to my channel. See you next time.
Oh, and don't forget, you can support me for $1 a month on Patreon. I put a link in the description box below.